Taylor here, and do you remember about my house? A couple of days ago when I was making a video about my house? Sun's shining up there. So let me just show you guys something. We got new stuff for our house. So we got the exact same stuff mostly for our house. You can see a car driving by. And look at this awesome view we got! I'm right now holding it off the thing, so I'm a little bit scared. But look at this. And then we got a store downstairs. That's gonna be awesome. And then we got this. Look, I can touch the ceiling. It's easy. Me and Jane can play catch with this football. And we're gonna get, and for my birthday, we're gonna get like bow and arrows, like toy bow and arrows. We're gonna have like Nerf guns and stuff. And we're gonna shoot them all the way over there. That sounds good, right guys? So, I think that's all I really have to say. But look, we could create like a little table here. So next we gotta do the plumbing, which is gonna be hard. After we do downstairs. You caught that? Man.
Yeah.
Let me try to hold it, Jaden. Wait, Jaden, no, hold it. And in here. I'm gonna try this one. Oh, why got the rubber on my face? We were playing catch with this a couple of days ago, and I was hiding behind our bed. I threw it at Jason's face. I had to jump up, throw it because I was hiding behind something, and it shot right in the face. It was like,
Yeah, I was like, boing, boing, oh!
Jason, don't do that. Okay. It didn't show your face. You got a whirlpool here. Football. And then, Jane, wait, open up the door.
Okay.
And then we throw the football out of here. And it fell onto that roof. So, I guess I can say good.